Hello everyone and welcome to a new guide. Today I will show you how to unfollow somebody on TikTok and how you can do that. There are two ways I think, but in both ways you'll have to reach their profile. So that being said, let me show you how you can unfollow them. Let's just open the TikTok app and you will be most probably on the newsfeed page when you will open the TikTok app. Now you will have to reach their profile, the account that you want to unfollow. The first way will be, if you know their name, to go into the search bar and type for their name and whatever. Or if you saw their video in the newsfeed page, just press on their profile and reach this page. Once you reach their page, I will assume that you followed them already because you want to unfollow them. To unfollow them, you will have to press on this icon right here, and if I press this, I just unfollow them. Now if you want to unfollow somebody specifically which you followed them by a long time ago, reach your profile instead and go to following section is the first one. Yeah, don't allow that. And here you can find every person that you follow, and if you press on let's say I want to unfollow this person, I will press on this following button. And if I will press on this, I can unfollow as many persons as I want. So that being said, I really hope I help you with this tutorial how to unfollow somebody on TikTok. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up like button and please have a wonderful day.